Hi guys, welcome to my first car review. Today I'm driving the Kia Rio. It's one of the favorite hatchbacks in South Africa. The range starts at just under 240,000 Rand with the 1.2 LS, and then it goes up all the way to this fancy model I'm driving, the 1.4 TEC Auto, which comes in just under 318,000 Rand. So the Rio 1.4 TEC has 74 kilowatts and it has 135 Newton meters of torque. This engine is married or mated to the 6-speed automatic gearbox, which replaced the original 4-speed automatic that the Rio came up with. So it gives it a little bit more power, it's a little bit faster. Oh, there's another Rio, hi! No, she doesn't care. This model I'm driving, the 1.4 TEC Auto, obviously has all the fancy nice things. The 7-inch infotainment system. It has the very pretty 17-inch alloy rims. It also has metal pedals. I mean, I don't know why you would need them, but they're really nice. They feel different to the feet. And another thing I really like about the Rio range is that you don't actually need to get the top of the range model to have all the nice things. The nice things are not just for the rich people anymore, guys. Just change lanes here because these people are so slow. Yeah, it's a really nice car to live with, day-to-day use, running around the city, between shops, work, the gym, whatever you want to do. I don't know what your life is. Thank you, Kia, for giving me my first car. This has been fun. I hope you liked this video. I hope it gave you the information that you wanted. Alright, cheers.